The local authorities have issued warning of viral furry infection outbreak in their Roblox. The virus was speed with their all place in city, including City Plaza, Blockstopia, New East of North Yankton, Robloxville, and Suburban Place, and stay away from the windows, and lock the doors, since the furry will find you, it will bite you scratching, and hitting, it will transform into a furry. Sometimes some of they're infected to be one of them, so don't get information, but if you don't, you will get infected. They will put you of a containment room and to put you into your carrier in stretcher, but if you do not, you will get eliminated.